Hello viewers, welcome to Girls Dairy. Today we are going to the world of Vaseline. We know that it is a go-to for dry skin, but did you know it has many other surprising uses? Let's get started. Vaseline perfume hack. Apply a small amount of Vaseline to the pulse point on your body and then spray the perfume on top of it. You can apply on your wrist, behind the ears and the base of your throat. It will make your perfume long lasting. Here I have another perfume hack. You can carry the perfumed Vaseline with you and use it whenever you want. For that you need a small container. Take a small amount of Vaseline and scoop it into your mixing container. Now add your favorite perfume to the Vaseline. Mix until it is completely combined. And you are good to go. Use it whenever you want. Cuticle Care. Applying a small amount of Vaseline around the nails and cuticles can help prevent them from becoming dry and brittle. It can also be used as a gentle way to soften cuticles before trimming them. Seal split ends. Vaseline can temporarily seal split ends. But this is not the solution for split ends. You can apply a small amount, don't overdo it. Liquid highlighter. Take a small amount of eyeshadow or highlighter and mix it with Vaseline. As you can see, this is so creamy and works as a body highlighter also. DIY lip balm. Choose your favorite color of lipstick and then add a small amount of Vaseline to it. Mix well and use it whenever you want as a tinted lip balm. Adjust the color according to your preference. It will give you color and care at the same time. Cream blush. Take a small amount of blush powder and mix with Vaseline. It will give you a perfect cream blush with a hint of color. Lash and brow filler. Take black or brown eyeshadow powder and mix it with Vaseline. This can be used for eyebrow or eyelashes filling, or you can cover your bald hair spots. Makeup remover. Take a small amount of Vaseline to the cotton pad and use it to remove the makeup. This is as effective as makeup removers. Cracked heel repair. To get rid of cracked heels, apply Vaseline every night consistently. Dry skin. Apply on dry skin, cracks and wounds. Scrub. Take a small amount of sugar, mix with Vaseline and coffee powder. Use this to scrub your lips and dry areas. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to Girls Dairy.